So we are going to Christmas in the Gardens. Christmas is my favorite time of year, guys. So we're gonna go to the Botanical Gardens, and they're having Christmas in the Gardens at the Botanical Gardens. So I'm gonna show you guys some of that. So we are here at the Botanical Gardens at Christmas lighting. It is so pretty, guys. So much lights and kids and music, lights in the air and stuff. Them are going with a bag, I'm not lie. Ooh, it's a snowman. I gotta take a lot of pics.
The dancing does not stop.
It's kind
To the
of dark.
folks in the back, feel free, come close, come forward, let the kids feel the vibe and feel the energy.
May I come.
Closer you come on stage, the move vibe you bring to them and then feed off that energy.
Ooh, look at the why can't I remember the name of that thing? Don't tell me tell me. No, never mind, you're just as bad.
It's Christmas time, the end of the year. I had a problem with my girlfriend Claire. She said this Christmas she has stayed home. She going out with her friends at them at home. But I tell Claire, go on have fun, cause this Christmas I drinking me rum. She take me home, and me rum, and me cool, and me cool. This Christmas I going to be far out. Right now, take my dad and hand to mouth. I drink in the rum and I falling down. I drink in the fall on the ground. She take me close, and me close, and me rum. This Christmas I going by anybody. I drink in the rum, I want the Bacardi. I drink in the rum and I'm going to touch it. I'm going in the rum and I'm going crazy. We have still wanting violin. I can't fight me white people. Things like Evil. Why is Christmas Day you choose evil? You have to super. It's Christmas morning. Look, neighbors coming. And parents playing. You would follow TV. My heart is burning. My belly grinding. Look, people laughing.
And you have Santa Claus right here. Where's my present?
When you had about 10 drinks too much, I gave up
bright. Everywhere is so bright. Over here, I think these are elves. It's really good, guys. Should totally check it out. So this is in the gazebo, guys. This is in the gazebo. There are trees over there, and in here you have nutmeg shells.
Now making no serious fucking facts. Anything local like that. One place I don't carry to go. Victoria, we coming at you. I got it with Gary Roadshow. I like it with Billy Dabo. I want the young with crayfish. I like when I'm married bacon. When I don't have back my babies. I eat them chicken and sausage. Sing the thing, boy. Christmas just like that. No fancy clothes, no fancy hats. Now making no serious pocket fat. Everything goes out like that. When there's something, I got something. On that new item I'm going. Can't miss the boy super dumpling. Super study pussy coming. I go there and I don't cater. Once I get the manage water, I rock with a different flavor. Oh, there we go, bring to that. Sing the thing, boy. Oh, yo, oh, oh, oh. Hey, 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 hey. Leon, why barbecue and craft it for a boy? Hey, hey, shaman, pass the cane juice. Power enough, man. Oh, oh, oh. When there's a power, I go buy the bubble singing I am. Hey, hey, hey. Sing the thing, boy. Oh, yo, oh, oh, oh. Hey, 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 hey. After me Christmas just like that. No fancy clothes, no fancy hats. Now making no serious pocket fat. Anything local like that. I keep it the Christmas local. It's nothing to do with racial. Not because it's traditional. And I watch you with no idol. My Christmas is yam and dashi. I grew up with flake and dumpling. Don't tell me about man and bacon. That is what I'm saying in England. You know I love you. You know I love you. Sexy ladies, yeah. Girl so nice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Treat them right. When they come. Give me a little more volume on the mic. Girl so nice. Where my ladies are. Treat them right. Where my ladies there. Oh, girl, no fun. Tell me what you're fighting for. No, girl, me have to love her. You have to change your behavior. Oh, girl, no fun. I love women since I born. I give credit to my mom. She make me to understand. Oh, girl, girl so nice. Treat them right when they come. Oh, girl, no fun. Girl so nice. When my lady dies. When they come. Oh, girl, no fun. Listen, one thing that does make me happy whenever I'm next to a lady. Oh, girl. One thing that does make me happy whenever I'm next to a lady. This children don't drive me crazy. Oh, God, oh, God. I love my Grenadian woman. No matter what place she come from. White top, Chinese or Indian. Oh, God, oh, God. Girl, so somebody put your hand like this. All the ladies put your hand like this. All the ladies put your hand like this. Oh, girl, no fun. Girl, so where my ladies are. Oh, girl, makes me. I want to say a Merry Christmas to everybody. Somebody say yes.
Yeah.
Is everybody feeling alright?
Always.
Kids, let me hear you scream. I have a little Christmas thing for you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Walk with me, short leg. I want everybody come closer. All the kids come closer. It's Christmas time.
Bye-bye.
Somebody clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. It's Christmas time again. Clap your hands. Clap your hands like this. Christmas time. Listen, I can hear the church bells ringing and the angel voices singing. It's a very special feeling. What time it is? It's Christmas time. Listen, plenty love is in the air. Smiling faces everywhere. Don't afraid to come close. Don't afraid to come close. Everyone come get your share. Sing this up for me. Children, give me a wave. Children, give me a wave like this. Give me a wave like this. Come on. Parang, parang, everybody sing. Yeah. Banjo and Pacho man, they're playing. House to house, people serenading. Children is here again. Come on. Parang, parang, everybody sing. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Some man, they're beating. Who never went to church and they will back jamming. Christmas is here again. Everybody enjoy Santa. All who enjoy Santa, let me hear you say yes. If you enjoy Santa, say yes. Did you have your picture taken? He came in a manger, and he was no stranger. He came to save us from our sins. Nothing is greater than his birth and his love for us. Jesus. Somebody point to the sky. Somebody point to the sky. Whoa, whoa. Celebrating, celebrate. Come let's celebrate. Celebrating the King. Whoa. I'm celebrating. I'm celebrating. I'm celebrating. Point to the sky. Point to the sky. Jesus, the reason for the season we sing. Jesus, the reason we sing. Whoa! Put your 2 hands in the air, everybody. 2 hands in the air if you like the Most High. If you're celebrating Christmas, everybody. It's 432016. That person came early. 432016. What we say? 432016. Going once. 432016. Alright, Randy. We're gonna ask Tamara when she's finished to do this the next draw. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of
So we are at
From now on, your troubles will be out of sight. Oh, hey, have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, your troubles will be miles away.
It's snowing, the children are singing. Hello, oh Santa Claus. I don't know where you are, but I'm here in the ghetto. Christmas Eve, they never know. No jingle bell and no Christmas light to make the season bright. Come on, ring-a-ding, Christmas bells are ringing. You know, see.
So I'm leaving now, and I'm eating fries. Everything that was edible, I was eating. Didn't really care. I might catch colic or something, but I don't care. I'm just eating.